Hello everyone, welcome to today's opening call. And today we will introduce the Hikvision new product, which is the audio product. And we will start in the 10 minutes. And please check in this QR code and we will do the quiz in the later. So hello everyone, welcome to today's opening course. And today we will introduce the audio product and please scan the QR code on the screen to check in. And we will start in the 7 minutes. So please scan the QR code on the screen and to join the lucky draw and win the gifts. And later we will do the live game quiz and you will have chance to win the free product, which is the IP speaker. And we will wait for more 6 minutes. So the friends who newly drew in, please scan the QR code on the screen to check in. And I'm Nanessa, the pre-sale of the audio sensing product. And today I will give a briefly introduction of the audio product. And we will start in the 3 minutes. Please scan the QR code to check in. And we will wait for a more 2 minutes. So everyone remind to scan the QR code on the screen to do the check-in, and you will get a chance to get your lucky gifts. And we will do the live game quiz, and you will also have a chance to win the free product, which is the IP speaker. And we will start in the 1 minute. Okay, let's start the opening course today. And I will introduce myself again. And I'm the Nisa, the audio and sensing product pre-sale. And today we will together to introduce the audio product. And let's start it. So here we can firstly introduce some typical industry and a scenario of the audio product. Firstly, which is the most important one, that is the retail industry. Some, for example, like some small shop like the SMB's retail shops, like the cafe, the restaurant, or there you can listen in some background music or the advertisement broadcasting. That you can see the audio product like the speaker on the cafe. And to larger ones such as the chain store, some shopping mall, or some chain restaurant, you can also listen in some background music. That is the audio product scenario. And another typical scenario, that is the education industry. For example, in the classroom, you will install two cabinet speaker in front of the classroom to do the class on or the class off bell ring, and the teacher can using the speaker to do the broadcasting to the students. And in some parameter sites, you can install some hall speaker to linkage with our camera. And in the playground, like we can install some outdoor column speaker to do the campus broadcasting. That is all the audio product scenario. And another typical scenario, like in some country, that is a famous project, which is the Safe City project. Like in some, like in the countdown, you can install the speaker and the camera on on a hall, and you can do the camera and the speaker to do the linkage. And in some public transport industry, like the small scenario, like the bus station, you can do the vehicle information broadcasting. Or in the train station, you can do also do the broadcasting and to remind the people to get on the train. And in the train store or even the train station or even the airport, you can listen in some lost and found and some calling information. That is also the audio product can do. And in some parking lot industry, like the entrances and the exits of the parking lot with whatever the outdoor or the indoor, you can install some hall speaker or even the column speaker or even the ceiling speaker to do the broadcasting. That is the typical industry and the scenario of our audio product. So that's leading to a concept that is what is public address. Simply, it's meaning the broadcasting sound in the public place, and we can look around our normal life. Like you, when you're in a cafe room, you will when you are enjoying your morning coffee, that's you will listening some background music, some beautiful music. That is the public address. And you, when you're in some shopping mall, you will listening some sales information like the advertisement. That is also the public address. When you in some building, that you will listening some emergency information like the when you when some fire occur, that the speaker will do the broadcasting to let people know to leave. And when you're in the campus, you will listening some campus broadcasting. That is also the public address. And some another scenario like the hospital, the parking lot, the train station, the factory, they all need the public address scenario. So here we can introduce the audio and sensing business. As you can see, this framework, our audio and sensing department is divided into the two parts. The one part is the audio product, and another part is the sensing product, like some acoustic sensing and the fiber optical sensing. And today we will just focus on the audio product first, and we will have the sensing product introduction later. And today we will introduce the audio product, which including the public address part, as I said before, and the professional audio that we will release in the second half of this year. So as you can see, this is our mainly the business department of the audio product. As you can see, we have some security audio like the security microphone, indoor, outdoor, and we have some area microphone to do the audio inputs. And the most important business, that is the broadcast audio. We have some input and like the paging microphone, the analog one and network one, and we have the some process and like the analog or the network amplifier, and we also have the output in and like the network speaker, like this hall speaker, the column speaker, the ceiling speaker, and this is an amplifier I said before, and this is the indoor cabinet speaker. And as I said before, we will have some professional audio in the second half of this year. We will have some even the mixing consoler, and we will have some professional speaker or some larger one speaker to do some in some professional audio in the lecture or in some conferences room. And here we can briefly introduce the main solution of our audio product. As you can see, this is the main three solution. The first one is the purely analog one, which is the economical, and that is the analog speaker plus to the analog amplifier. And the advantage of this solution, that is very simple. You can do the on-site management. You can using the Bluetooth or the USB or the microphone RCA to do the basically background music. And the second one is the hybrid solution, which is the cost effective. That is the analog speaker, same as the analog solution, and analog speaker plus to the network amplifier. So using this solution, you can connect it to the switch and to the management center. Now we spotted the high central professional and web to control this solution. And in the Q4, we will also spot the high connect, which is the mobile phone, to control the network amplifier. And you can using the laptop, or even in the future you can using the phone to do the management about the speaker. You can do the schedule broadcasting, the alarm linkage, the text to speech, or even the live talk. And the second one is purely network one, which have the fully function. That is the IP main speaker plus to the IP sub speaker, and you can connect it to the switch, the internet, to the high central professional, or even the NVR or the IPC to do the fully function, like the schedule, the live broadcast, or like the two-way audio, like the linkage. So now we will have introduced about the network audio. So firstly, before we introduce the specific product of our network audio, and we will introduce why the Hikvision want to do the network audio. So in the past 10 or 20 years, there's no big technology change in the audio market. So everyone has the same product. So always the manufacturer offer the same product. So that's only the one thing important, that is the price. So the price war was started, and then some analog audio manufacturers started to offer the IP solution, like the Japanese manufacturer, like the Toa, or like the Chinese manufacturer, like the ITC. They all started to offer some IP solution. Then some security manufacturer also started to enter the audio market, like the X6, like the Hanwha. They also want to enter the audio market to offer the IP solution. So for now, the current market is still have the 99% analog solution and the 1% of the IP solution. But IP solution IP solution is have more beneficial, like the easy installation. You just need the internet cable, and you have the more possibility. You can do the remote management on your laptop, on your mobile phone. And you can do some more intelligent function, like the two-way audio, the schedule broadcast, the linkage. That is all the IP beneficial. So that is the Hikvision wanted to trying to lead this market from the analog to the IP. So that is the reason why we want to do the network audio. So compared to the analog solution, this IP speaker all have the built-in amplifier. So the IP solution don't need these boxes, just needs IP speaker. So you don't need the amplifier. You can also support some intelligent broadcasting function. So in some security scenario, which have the audio and video security nutrient, that you can do the you something happens, you can like the in some scenario like this, some security protection events, you can shout at during that event. And here is the speaker naming rule. As you can see, the DS, that is the Hikvision product, and the QA, that is the audio and sensing product line, and they represented this serial, that is the high end, and the E series is like the economical one, and the one that's represented the IP speaker, and the 0 represented the analog speaker. And the next one, as you can see, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. That is for the appearance. Like the 1 is the wall speaker, like the cabinet speaker, and the 2 is the ceiling speaker, this one, and the 3 is the hall speaker, outdoor speaker, and 4 is the column speaker, and 8 that is for the amplifier. And the next one is for the power consumption, like the 6 watts or 6 watt or the 10 watts, and global product the first generation. And this one, the TER, is like the it's like the rotation or the pigtail. That is the additional function. And the last one, that is for some additional function like the Bluetooth, the PoE, or the sub speaker. And that is so simple, just like some other Hikvision product naming rules. And here that is the network speaker family. As you can see, we have some outdoor speaker like the hall speaker and the column speaker. And we also have some indoor speaker like the cabinet speaker or the ceiling speaker. And we also have another solution that is the main speaker plus to the sub speaker. For example, when we have a 3 watt main ceiling speaker, you can connect it up to the 3 watt sub speaker. So that is one main, and the 3 sub that is for a 4 speaker kit, and you can do the broadcasting in a middle-sized room using this 4 speaker. And only the main speaker needs the IP address. So you don't need to configure the 4 speaker. Only you need to do that is the management the main speaker. And here are some key feature overview. The most important one, that's the speaker can do the multiple broadcast modes, and we can do the live broadcast, that is the live talk, or for example, in some train station, you can do the lost and found, that is the live broadcast, and you can do some scheduled broadcast like in the campus. You can do the class on and the class off bell ring, and some alarm linkage like in some parameter site, you can link it with the speaker and the camera, and in some building you can do the emergency broadcast too. And another feature that is the TTX function, that is the text to speech function, and that means you can text anything you want on your laptop or even your mobile phone, and the speaker will do the voices. And now currently we available like the English, Spanish, the Russia, Japanese, and Thai, and we will also have spotted more language in the soon future. And all our network speaker all have the built-in SD card, so you don't need an additional SD card. So the speaker will sorted some audio file inside, and some column speaker, the hall speaker, and the cabinet speaker all have the built-in microphone, so you can do the two-way audio function. Like in some parameter side, you can call and listening the voices. And another key feature that is the video and audio linkage, that you can link it with our Hikvision CCTV system. And then some easy and operation function that is the very easy to control, just like the other camera or the CCTV product in the Hikvision. So here is the system compatibility of our network speaker. Now we spotted the laptop and like the Hack Central Professional or the IVMS, which is the free, and we can also spotted some mobile phone and like the Hack Partner Pro or the Hack Connect, and then we also can spot it the network speaker connected to the NVR and the IPC. And here is the more function about this platform. For example, you can connect spotted 128 channel IP address on the Hack Central Professional, and on the platform you can do the audio file management, the broadcast plane configuration, the alarm linkage, live talk, the two-way audio. And for example, you can do the remote management buying the HPP or the high connects. And here is another new things about our audio product, which we will have a how-to designer or on our the Hikvision website. That is for someone you don't need anything about our the audio system. That you can using this how-to designer to do the product selection. And firstly, you can select the scenario you want. You can choose the restaurant or hospital, and then the second step, you can choose the product you want. You can choose the indoor or the outdoor. You can input the size of the scenario, and you can choose you wanted the ceiling speaker or the cabinet speaker, and you want the IP solution or the analog solution. And the how-to designer will give you a recommended product list, and to confirm the list, and you can see the right side, you have the topology and the acoustic sound diagram on the how-to designer. And here is some NVR function for the network speaker. On the NVR, you can do the live talk, the two-way audio, and a long linkage, which is perfect for the parameter side to do the security protection. And that is the high connect function for the network speaker, or you can using your mobile phone to do the remote management. You can do the alarm linkage, the schedule broadcast, and the live talk on the high connect. And as you can see, you just need to press and speak. Just you can talk to the speaker. And that is another advantage of our the Hikvision audio product. So in some traditional audio manufacturer, you will have one audio system, and when you have another CCTV system, you need to combine them together. So with our the high connect or with our Hikvision all-in-one platform, just like the Hik Central Professional, you can using the one operator and the one system to control all the audio and video devices to do the management. And for now, that is the main application for the network speaker. So for now, we just focus on the two scenario. That the first one is still the security protection. That is the advantage of our the Hikvision. So we can using the speaker on the parameter side to do the alarm linkage and do some security protection. And another typical scenario, that is the background music. So as I said before, you can using the speaker in some retail store or even some shopping mall to do the broadcast music broadcasting. And so we can also do the paging or even the emergency broadcasting in some scenario. So let's start the introduction of the analog speaker. So as I said before, we have the network speaker, and we also have the basically analog speaker for the SMB scenario. So we can using the basically analog speaker to do the background music, the advertisement broadcasting, and you will need that amplifier to do the control. And here is the analog speaker family. As you can see, we have some ceiling speaker, the column speaker, the hall speaker, cabinet speaker, just like the IP speaker family. And here is our, as I say, all the analog speaker need the amplifier. So that is the amplifier family. Now we have the three type of the analog amplifier, which is the 60-watt 2-zone and the 120, 240 watt for the 6-zone analog amplifier. And we also have the two type of the network amplifier. So that's this one is the network amplifier. We have the 40-watt one zone network amplifier and the 80-watt two zone network amplifier. So except the analog amplifier and network amplifier, we also will have the network decoder, and I will introduce later. And firstly, we will introduce the analog amplifier. It's similar to this one. We will have the four type of the audio input, which is the USB, the Bluetooth, the microphone, the RCA to do the basically audio input. For example, as you can see, the topology of the right side, that is the 60 watts analog amplifier that is had the two channel, and each channel will can connect it to the some of the speaker. And we will introduce the network amplifier and the network decoder that is perfectly for the upgrade playing or some new installer playing. As you can see the topology, and we can introduce the network solution first. That is the analog speaker plus to the network amplifier, and the network amplifier can connect it to the switch and to the management center. You can using the web or the Hikvision professional to control the network amplifier, and the network amplifier can control this analog speaker. And the network, each channel in the network amplifier can broadcasting the different contacts. And another solution that is for the network decoder. So when you is already have your analog solution, that you don't need to change anything, just the analog speaker plus to the analog amplifier, and add one network decoder that you can still using the laptop to do the remote management. So that's this solution. Two solution can perfect for some upgrades plan. That's someone you want to change your existing analog solution to the IP one. So here now we can give an introduction of the typical scenario or the and the solution of the audio system. The first lay that is a review of the three solution. The first one, the purely analog one, that is the purely the analog speaker and the analog amplifier, and you just can do the on-site management using the Bluetooth or the USB. And the second one is the hybrid, which is the network amplifier solution. That is the analog speaker plus to the network amplifier. In this solution, you can achieve some network function like the schedule broadcasting, the alarm linkage, the TTS function, and each Zoom can play the different contacts and the volume. And you can do the remote management too. And the third one, which is the purely network one, which have the fully function, that is the purely the IP speaker plus to the IP sub speaker, and to connect it to the switch, to the platform like the Hikvision Professional or even the NVR. And you can do the remote management, and you can achieve the some network function like the schedule broadcasting, alarm linkage, and even the two-way audio. And each IP speaker can do the different contexts, so that is more flexible compare with the hybrid solution. So here that is education solution. As you can see, there are some function we can do in the education solution. Firstly, in the campus parameter side, we can do the video and audio linkage, speaker linkage with the IPC, and that is a perfect combination of the audio and the video system. And in the classroom, you can install some cabinet speaker in front of the classroom, and using the Hikvision Professional, the head teacher can do the live live talk to each classroom, and the every individual classroom can do the different contacts, and you can do the schedule broadcasting. And for example, you can do the schedule class on and the class off bell ring. You don't need someone to do this work. You just need a laptop to do the everything, and you can do the alarm linkage or the emergency broadcasting in the campus to protect our teacher and the student safety. And in some public space, you also need the broadcasting, like the live broadcast to do the campus radio and the schedule broadcast and the alarm linkage and the emergencies broadcast. And in the broadcasting room, and you can also use the paging microphone to do the live talk. And here is the SMB solution for the audio product. Like this is a supermarket or shop scenario. You can using the audio product to do the background music, the basic one, and you can do the schedule hour the broadcasting. So one just leave the 10 minutes to do the work off. You can do the schedule time to broadcasting broadcasting that to reminding the customer to leave at the fixed time. And in some chain store or scenario, you can do the advertisement centralized management. For example, you just need a platform to do the centralized control to do the centralized management. So all the small shop can broadcasting the same advertisement in the same time. So in this scenario, you can using the purely IP solution. You can using the IP main speaker plus to the IP sub speaker, and you can also using the hybrid solution, which is the analog ceiling speaker plus to the network amplifier. All this you can all this solution you can do the remote management from your laptop. And here is some small shop typical scenario, like you can using the speaker plus to the amplifier to do the background music and the remote management. So that is some typical that's in the that is some typical scenario of the audio products. So that's is the brief introduction of the audio product. So in a few minutes, we will start a quiz about the audio products. So hope you can get your lucky win today. Oh, so you can scan the QR code on your on the screen to do the check-in. And here, as you can see, this is the hall speaker for the outdoor, and we usually using the hall speaker to do the alarm linkage on the perimeter side. And this one is the column speaker, or you can see this one. That's is also the outdoor, and the ceiling speaker that is for the ceiling speaker is for the indoor scenario that you can in some building, in some store, or in some meeting room, or in some office, or you can using the ceiling speaker. And this one is the cabinet speaker, is also the indoor. And this one is the network amplifier. You can do the remote management to control the analog speaker. And here we can using the Bluetooth to show the Bluetooth function about the amplifier. And now I will open the Bluetooth function on my phone. And I click the connected. As you can see, that is the connected. I just connected the cabinet speaker before, and we can listening some music now. Yeah, that is the simply the Bluetooth function. So enjoy the music for this moment. And we will have the quiz in 1 or 2 minutes. So everyone reminding to scan the QR code on the screen. So please scan the QR code on the screen to check in, and we will have a quiz in 1 or 2 minutes. So good luck, everyone. And if you have any questions before the quiz, please ask me for now. So if you have any question about audio product, please tap in the text box and I will answer you. So someone asks what is the Someone asks what is the differences between the security audio microphone and the broadcast audio. Uh, the security microphone, like that's the small the security microphone using some bank or linkage with the speaker, and the broadcast audio usually in some public address like the broadcasting scenario, like the campus to do the broadcasting. That is the differences. And if you have more question, please tap in the text box. And we will start the quiz in 1 minute. And please to scan the QR code on screen to check in. So we just waiting for the participating.
Hello, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. الو السلام عليكم. طيب شرفني كثيرا، اسمي نعيم. سنبدأ للامتحان الكويز. اوكي، ممكن نشوف الكيو ار كود او إداة اللينك ليشترك الامتحان. Okay, we will wait for several minutes. Okay, 13 participants joined, and we will provide the top 3 winners with IP, the latest Hikvision IP speaker. Come on, you can click the link in the chat box or scan the QR code here to join. أيوة، والحين نحن موجودة في باشهندسة محمد، عبد الله، أسامة. Yes, Engineer Rawa. I remember you. You win the game and you receive the gift or not? And Engineer Aura أمال. Okay. سننتظر لاثنين أكثر أو 3 أكثر. قالوا يا باشمهندس خالد، مرحبا. أنا جاهز، أنا جاهز، أنا أشوف أنت. طيب، 1 دقيقة، 1 دقيقة عشان. Okay, countdown for 10, 9, 3, 2, 1. Any more? أي أكثر؟ قالوا يا باشمهندس أسامة. طبعا طبعا طبعا. شوية شوية يا باشمهندس محمد سامي. طيب، سنبدأ. أوكي، 3 2 1 3 2 1. Let's start. يلا يلا يلا. Now the first is Engineer Khalid. Okay, great. And don't forget to fulfill the information of the first question so that we will be able to contact with you. Provide your personal information, including your mobile phone, your name, and your email address. Okay, also you can note for your country, because for different countries that we will be able to deliver from the local team. Okay, great. Engineer Abdullah, Engineer Osama, voila. Oh, ranking first is Engineer Osama. We provide three latest Hikvision IP network speaker, home speaker for the top three winners. Hope you get lucky. As it's just shown here beside Nisa. Okay, great, very good, Engineer Osama and Engineer Osman and Engineer Muhammad. So any other competitors? Let's see. لا تقلق يا باشا هندسة محمد سامي، موجود في الامتحان فيما بعد. We will have more sessions about the Smart Manager Switch, APAC, and CCTV product. You will be the best. Okay, any more colleagues to answer the questions? Okay, we will finish the quiz game soon. Hurry up. Okay, countdown for 10. Hurry up. Okay, countdown for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Anyone? Oh, yeah, but that's done. It's 2, 1. Last. Mabruk, Mabruk, Mabruk. Congrats for Engineer Osama and Engineer Aura and Engineer Dana for the top three. Congratulations. Mabruk, Mabruk. Great job, great job. Okay, we will contact you later, and please keep in contact with your email address for the coming gift delivery, okay? Thank you, thank you. So now let's back to the sessions with Engineer Nisa.
So back to me now. So that's firstly thank the name to give the quiz game. And if you have more question about the audio product, please ask me now. And that is the briefly introduction of the audio product. As you can note before, we now have the IP audio and the basically analog audio, and we will have the more audio product or even the professional audio in the soon future, and we will have the more comprehensive solution about about the audio product and in the public address system. And if you have more questions, please come to us. So that is all the opening course of today. So thank you all your time in the Friday, and wish you will have a great weekend of this week. And in the future, we hope we can meet soon and back with the sensing product opening course. And thanks again for everyone to join today's opening course. We will see you in the soon. Bye.